Rich Dad, Poor Dad is not a story in the traditional sense, but rather a personal finance book written by Robert Kiyosaki. It is based on the lessons and experiences Kiyosaki gained from his two fathers, his own biological father, referred to as Poor Dad, and the father of his childhood friend, referred to as Rich Dad. The book begins with Kiyosaki reminiscing about his childhood. He talks about how his real father, who had a well-paying job as an academic and worked hard, struggled financially and often lived paycheck to paycheck. Despite having a higher income, his father had poor financial literacy and made decisions based on fear and security rather than financial intelligence. In contrast, Kiyosaki's friend's father, the Rich Dad, was a successful entrepreneur who owned multiple businesses and had accumulated considerable wealth. Rich Dad believed in financial education and taught Kiyosaki and his friend about money, investing, and how to build wealth. Kiyosaki goes on to share the key lessons he learned from his Rich Dad. He emphasizes the importance of financial literacy and understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. According to Kiyosaki, assets are things that generate income and appreciate in value, while liabilities are things that consume money and depreciate over time. He encourages readers to focus on acquiring assets that can generate passive income, such as real estate, stocks, and businesses, rather than accumulating liabilities like expensive cars or excessive debt. Kiyosaki advocates for taking calculated risks and investing in oneself to create financial independence. Throughout the book, Kiyosaki challenges common financial beliefs, such as the belief that a high-paying job guarantees financial security. He encourages readers to develop an entrepreneurial mindset, think creatively, and constantly seek financial opportunities. Rich Dad, Poor Dad serves as a guide to financial independence, offering practical advice on managing money, building assets, and achieving long-term wealth. The book aims to inspire readers to break free from the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck and to pursue financial freedom through education, smart financial choices, and a mindset shift toward wealth creation.